Okay, the last thing we need to do now is deal with if we win, and also if we would like to play again. Now to do that, we're going to create a new page called winner. So if we do win, we're going to redirect to a new page. It needs to look the same as this page. So we're going to use the same common structure of the header and the footer, and we're going to place in the middle of it a graphic that says winner, and then we're going to ask them if they would like to play again. So let's get underway creating this new page. The first thing I'm going to do is make a new page on the server, and it's going to be called winner.php. In here, I'm going to use the same CSS style sheet as I've been using on my site. Also, I need to set up a form because I need to capture if they would like to play again. I'm going to need my header, my main, and my footer. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal a lot of the information from this page. So first of all, I'm going to steal the CSS and also the form information and paste that into my winner page. And I'm going to change the form name to winner. This is going to submit back to itself, back to the winner page. So I also need to put a session variable in and start that so I can actually access all the information. So once again, I'm going to grab the PHP part. Yes, I'm going to need the session start. I need the div tag for container. I would like the page header. I also would like main. So let's just copy those and put that into the winner page. Okay, we need to close main, and then I need the footer. So I'm just going to grab the end of this and also the close form. And I'm going to paste that in. So this should give me my basic page structure with the ability to post button click for play again. But before I get too far, I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to see if I can change the game redirect in here to this new page. So I'm going to remove the winning echo, update the header redirect to winner.php, and just save that and see if it works. So back on my game, I'm now going to go back to my index.php. I'm going to do a medium game. We know the answer is 56. So just to check, 50 should be too low, 78 should be too high, and 56 should make me a winner. And I've been redirected, and you can see up the top here, we're on the winner PHP. So now all I need to do is put a graphic in there to tell me that I've won. I need a button, so I'm able to click on that to play again. And let's see if we can get that working. So I'm just going to go back into winner at the moment. It's going to appear in this main section. So the first thing I want to do is tell them that they're a winner. So I'm going to use the echo img src tag, and I'm going to put the winner information in, which is right here, winner.png. You notice I've also placed some break tags, so there's going to be a bit of a separation between that and the button that I need to create for play again. Now we need to place the play again image as a button. We have the image already, but I need the code for play again. This is going to be one of our lines of code we've used before, which is this one here. I'm just going to copy that and paste that in here. I'm also going to turn on the word wrap so we can see it a little bit better. So with this one here, we need the echo, not cho. We've got button type submit. We've got the class guest submit. So in this situation, we're going to change this to play again. The name is going to be play again, and the value is going to be nothing. The image is going to be, the source is images submit, but we don't want submit, we want play again. So we'll change the graphic to play again, .png with a button. So let's go see if this is working. So we're just going to save this, refresh the page. There we go. We've told them they're a winner, and we've now got a button to play again. You may want to leave the rollover there in the effects. It's up to you. You can adjust that in your style sheets. The last thing I need to do is change this. So when you click on it, it redirects us back to the index.html so we can play again. To do that, we need the post request again. So once again, I'm going to come in here and copy this line of code for the post request. And underneath the start session, I'm going to paste that here. Now, if they want to play again, I need to reset all the super global variables. So to do that, I'm going to use a session, and then I'm going to use an unset function that will clear any information that is in any of the variables or any information that's in any of the super globals. So it's going to free all the session variables currently registered. So the session variables we currently have registered are things like the user guess, number 2 guess, so it will clear all those out. If you're counting the number of guesses it takes to solve the game, then you need to clear that out. But you wouldn't want to unset things like a high score table. So you might have to work on the unset and target which variables you do and don't want to unset. In this case here, this command will unset all the variables. So when it goes back to the start, it's ready to go again. Now, if we use this unset, so we've posted back to the page, so I've clicked on the play again. So it comes in here, clears all the session variables. Then what we want to do is use a header redirect, and we're going to send it to a new location. And the location is going to be index.php. So we're going to send it back to the start of our game. Remember, you need to open and close all brackets, so I need to line those up. So on this button click now, it should clear all the session variables, go back and start the game again. So let's see if we've finished our game. Let's refresh this page. Click on medium. The number is 79, so we're going to go 50, which should be too low. Then we'll pick 99, which should be too high. And then we'll put 79. And click on submit. Now we're a winner. If I click on play again, we're back at the start again and we can go through. You notice on here I've still got menu, so I might just remove that off the actual file. So on the menu page, I'm just going to remove this little line of code here and save that. Now refresh, and that looks like a pretty good game. In the next session, we'll just do a little bit of a tidy up of the CSS, and then we'll talk about some of the opportunities that you could look at putting in your game.